I heard about Foot in the Door Newport through a friend who sent me a link to the application. I didn't even know that these kinds of training schemes were happening, let alone in this area, and I knew that it was going to teach me a lot of very valuable lessons about taking these next steps into the industry. I was paired with a costume supervisor to trial the For Me app. They were the ones that set tasks based on what I felt I needed to improve on, because obviously they're the ones that know the kind of tasks that you would need to complete as a trainee.
We worked together over a 3 to 4 week period. She had got involved with Foot in the Door because she'd struggled to find placements within the costume industry. We initially set up a series of projects for her to undertake, and then over the 3 weeks we had a weekly meeting and we reviewed these and then supported her where needed.
I found the For Me app very easy to use. It's all clearly laid out and it's very helpful to have all of your progress and information stored in one place, so you can kind of scroll through it and see that progression. It definitely helped raise my confidence, realizing that there were things that I could do while not on a production actively that I could complete in order to actually be more prepared for that eventual role.
Time is the real issue for those in fast-paced film environments, and what the app does allow is to do things in a small, manageable doses.
Working with Foot in the Door has inspired me to really push myself to working in the career that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to work in film and TV.
I would feel confident taking her on a project myself or recommending her to other people. This really does open up doors for them.
Foot in the Door has really helped me see how possible it is, and that the industry here really is booming and that they do need a lot of people, and it's just kind of bridging that gap and actually getting into it.